Lexus saying that transmission is a lifetime. Guys, nothing is a lifetime. But if you're going to drive less than 100,000 miles, then it's alright for you. It's a lifetime. For me, I'm driving a lot of miles. I'll need to change it. Today, I'm going to show how to do it. And I do know, in fact, that when you're draining, it comes only 3 liters. Okay, first you're gonna need to jack up. It is a 4 screws and then clips around. Then you're gonna need 10 mils hex key. Here, first try to undo filling plug, because sometimes they can stuck, and then drain. As you can see, it's not a full change because it takes about 5 liters, but I do refreshing those 3 liters coming out every 30,000 miles. Then you're gonna need something it's like filling stuff I bought on eBay. I paid about 70-80 pounds. You can ask me about how you're setting up a level. You know, guys, I'm just filling up with the same amount of oil which is draining off. Now I'm going to put this kind of adapter. Before you're gonna start filling, don't forget to close your drain plug. And the last thing what I do before I'm going to drive, I'm going through the gears. I hope that this video gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching, guys, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.